Hey, are you making this big keto mistake? Most people do without even realizing it. Today I'm going to show you the 3 things you need to know to actually succeed on keto. Number 1, keto is not about eating fat. You probably heard that keto is a high-fat diet, but that's completely wrong. Keto is a low-carb, moderate protein diet. If you overload on fat, especially oils and butter, you might actually stop burning body fat. Instead, let your body burn stored fat first. Number 2, protein comes first. Your body needs protein more than it needs fat. Protein builds muscle, supports your metabolism, and keeps you full. So focus on meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. Forget the keto shakes and bars. With protein, you know you're going to help with satiety to keep you full. Proteins are nutrient dense, and they especially rev up your metabolism. Number 3, carbs are not necessary. Here's the truth. Your body doesn't need carbs at all. It can make all the glucose it needs from protein and fat. So don't fall for the "you must eat carbs for energy" myth, because it's just that, a myth. So remember, prioritize protein. Don't drown everything in butter. And forget about carbs. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more keto truth bombs. See you in the next one.